Oof.
Before I could even draw my blade, her second arrow found its mark in my chest.
How'd you live that one?
Carlia was a master marksman, and her greatest weapon was the element of surprise. I was lucky. She missed my heart by mere inches. I staggered away from the ruins, and my vision began to blur. It's then that I realized the bitch had poisoned her arrows.
Alright. What happened to him?
The
I got
last
shot in
thing
the
I
freaking
saw
neck.
was Carlia dumping his body into an opening atop the ruins. An unceremonious end for a remarkable man. To this day, I've regretted.
And you think we can take this person?
Even if it meant I had died
You lost a
trying.
2v1,
I owed Gallus
and you're being led into a trap.
The guild was thrown into disarray. Several stepped up and tried to claim Gallus's former position
My goodness,
as
guy.
guildmaster. Sides quickly formed behind these men, and the ratway became a bloodbath.
Alright.
I saw what they did to Gallus. I wanted to use the guild's resources to hunt down Carlia. The others didn't even care he was
That's
gone.
tragic.
Fortunately, I persevered, and the other groups were either killed or they left Skyrim.
That delivery of that line was a bit weird. Either killed or they left Skyrim. They're
The
either
infighting
killed
had
or
taken
they
months
left
to subside, which gave her time to go into hiding and carefully cover her tracks. I spent thousands of septum and used every contact at my disposal. But it was as if she had simply vanished. Like I said before, she was the best.
Yeah, tell me about this lady. What do I need to know?
She was a
So that I can beat her.
stubborn I always had to do
How
everything
to
her
beat
way.
her.
But she was also the best, bringing
Yeah,
in
you've
more
said that a
coin
few
a month than
times.
some thieves' heist in a year.
Gee.
Gallus trusted her too much and let her get too close.
Well, why would she get rid of that? I don't get it. If she's really good at making money, why would she betray you guys?
Yes. Me? I think she was softening him for the kill. Gallus would call her his little nightingale. He was absolutely smitten by her. Greed? Jealousy? Spite? Who can say what drove her to such an iniquitous act?
Well, greed, she has
One
plenty of
thing's
money.
certain, I intend to find out before
She liked him,
draws
so
her
why did she
last
spite him?
breath.
I don't get it.
Let's get going. I want her head on.
Yeah, okay, now that you've told me your life story, go on and open that door. You hearing me? Are you understanding what I'm saying here? I don't think you are. Push. What, can I knock you into the door so you open it?
This better be important.
Yeah, it's pretty important.
Have your weapon at the ready. I'm certain Carlia knows we're here.
Yeah. Got it ready now. Prepared? Go on.
Must you keep stopping?
I'm not stopping. Alright, I'm gonna give you another chance. Maybe?
They say that these ancient Nordic burial mounds are sometimes
Oh yeah.
this one doesn't look too difficult.
I just had to go back that way, and now you're very excited to open
Quite
that door.
simple, really. I don't know what the fuss is about these locks.
Hey, you're just bragging now.
A bit of note.
Come on, man. That's a hard lock. I couldn't open it. I'm a trained thief. I've opened expert locks. How did you do that, my guy? Maybe you're the best. Maybe Carlia isn't the best. But then also, how did Carlia lock the door behind her? Maybe she's better than you actually. Oh yeah, I keep going back and forth. I don't really know, my friend. Really don't know. Don't know anything like that. That's for sure. What I do know is that I will be here soon, next time.